Kuru prandu lau ler ngói ono kunywa ohen omon tana lap tam nar ngói le ngói khay ngói nam berben berjik ma pram ta jle kaput ke manau ba nau hoi pri tam nau prandu ngói jing ta na jing la bangke nau prandu ngói Bunong hanam da mhe pu lo rap janong sam na he oke ho nau prandu ngói Ntóm cướp sao nằm tour ban xin riêng chích rồi nằm bự bằng đam yêu kì nào cho đi căn bằng e học kiểu nào bên du người nốt này chỉ là cướp hôm chị bự tê leo chỉ lắp tầm nào cho đó là lắp tầm nào cho này chỉ e kiểu nào bên du người này chỉ là phùng mi phùng prang căn bằng uy kề mà tình chơi phùng ý kít lao tan đây nào prang đào mi thì mà căn bằng tầm mà prang nào ngơi Bunong chỉ ta lại chỉ là phùng ý ta đây nào prang đào nào mi nè thì căn bằng sóc nào prang du ngơi chỉ kề mà nào ngơi ta bự prang bự mi hai sam na chính e học kêu yuri tắt hao khăn bằng mà khăn bằng đam bác nào cho del mà nào brand ngay chỉ khăn bằng là brand ăn phun Bunong hay phun bị ikit iblau nó thì khăn bằng lọ tầm mà brand tầm rốc nào ngay yuri chính kia nào đôi số nào ngay Bunong hay tắt mà là yuri tầm năm lại nè chính là e học kêu chính là nào prandu ngói Bunong yor khăn bằng na ta lục bự pri khăn bằng nam yêu nào này tay đàn phùng tiền sĩ yêu sĩ chỉ là khăn phùng y phùng mi phùng prang này chỉ là yêu lap tam pri hè na đào khăn bằng tay prang bự nào mà em hàn quẹ nào prandu ngói cái là am kia nào bự nào English bự khăn bằng nam nào prandu ngói ép khăn bằng năm là lúc bữa tam England bữa bri Israel tari khăn bằng Yên Tam tầm tập Njêng tầm pa tập phùng kít ít lao tầm ấp Mpól lật nổi khăn bằng là chính là khăn bằng kể đi pi hè này eo kẹo yuri tắt khăn bằng lap tầm pri hè mà kể nào đến du ngày chỉ là tắt mà nát mà lọ lý ấp nạc xa chỉ ấp phùng tu mầm đầm đời Uănh nào kề mình tên đây nào hè cũ đi tâm của anh Brah màu Giêsu Christ chỉ nằm tầm là hè hơi chính nào người Brah tạ bự Brah du nam chỉ bằng ăn mà phun mòn các ai nè bằng dây blang lẽ nào chỗ năm bữa cái đang đi mà Brah Giêsu trên tên này tàu chính ba sắc sen nào Brah bằng cái mà hè cho mà bằng chính nào Brah ri nào rồi bằng cách ta nè tàu mà vô nào thấy hè ta si tầm càng tạch bàn bằng lọ được đi là bằng hôm cũ đi bằng Brah làm hè cướp Brah lọp lọp sóc khăn mai cũng đều cướp ta này như nào cướp ôi cái mà ca nào tầm lại khăn mai tạp nào tay u chè khăn mai cái này nó rồi hè nó ra hôm sóc tiền yút nào bên cái cho mà bằng chính nào tầm lại huynh nào với hè nó ra chính là cái bài lệ nào bậc cái hè Brah cặp huynh nắng rúp tầm video chính là bạn nào English tam hạt Njêng Trôk này tàu cái này nè Brah du hạt Njêng chi rồi cặp huynh nó cặp mọc là ba blang đặt nào Bunong còn Uănh tầm nào ngoài English chỉ món nào bằng tầm đây là nào ngoài Bunong hay rồi là bậc ai em ra sao đó phim anh bằng lại kia nào người tầm quanh Brah Giêsu này rồi nó là cái bụi kem ba là rup kem nó cái tầm nào mình cướp cái cướp yết nào cập cho mà Quen Brah bự tầm mong tắt nát Quen Brah là vậy del mà lại ngồi nè thua tầm bà này yori cấp Uănh bậc hai đồng chính là tam di Trôk nàng tu ngò biết về chỉ kì nào ăn nào ngò cloud Trôk tầm từng nè chỉ nàng tu lại đờ họ Quen Brah rạch Njêng ta là hệ Uănh tầm nào anh li.
Before time began, God existed in eternal perfection, complete, lacking nothing, embodying love, light, and life. From divine purpose, he willed creation into existence. His masterpiece reflects infinite wisdom, beauty, and glory, unfolding a story of love and perfection made tangible. From the void came a command, resonant and firm. Let there be light. At once, light exploded into being, a radiant force that chased away the darkness. God saw the light and declared it good. Dividing it from the darkness, he named the light day and the darkness night. Evening fell and morning rose, the first day. On the second day, God created a vast expanse to separate the waters. He called this expanse sky, stretching above like a divine canopy. Clouds gathered in the heavens, and the waters below awaited his next command. With a word, dry land emerged, pushing aside the waters to reveal soil rich and fertile. God named the dry ground earth, and the gathered waters seas. Then with another command, the earth brought forth vegetation, mighty oaks and delicate wildflowers, towering cedars and sprawling vineyards. Every seed bore its kind, and the earth flourished in vibrant color. The fourth day brought luminaries to the heavens. The sun was set ablaze to rule the day, its light warming the earth and nurturing life. The moon, pale and gentle, governed the night. Stars scattered across the skies, their brilliance a reminder of the Creator's majesty. The waters teemed with life. Schools of fish shimmered beneath the surface, and great leviathans stirred the depths. Above, the sky was alive with birds of every kind, eagles soaring high, sparrows chirping sweet melodies. God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply." On the sixth day, the earth brought forth creatures of every kind. Lions roared, deer leapt through meadows, and sheep grazed peacefully. Yet the pinnacle of God's creation was yet to come. God said, "Let us make man in our image, after our likeness." From the dust of the ground, he formed a man and breathed into his nostrils the breath of life. The man opened his eyes, seeing the world through the clarity of innocence and wonder. God named him Adam and placed him in the Garden of Eden, a paradise unmatched in beauty. Eden was a masterpiece. Rivers flowed through it, their waters clear and sparkling. Trees of every kind stood tall, their fruit abundant. Birds sang, and the air was fragrant with the scent of blossoms. At the center of the garden were two special trees, the tree of life and the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. God instructed Adam, "You may eat freely from every tree in the garden, but of the tree of the knowledge of good and evil you shall not eat. For on the day you eat of it, you shall surely die." Seeing that Adam was alone, God said, "It is not good for man to be alone. I will make a helper suitable for him." He caused Adam to fall into a deep sleep, took a rib from his side, and from it fashioned a woman. When Adam awoke, he exclaimed with joy, "This is now bone of my bones and flesh of my flesh." He named her Eve. Adam and Eve lived in perfect harmony, innocent, unashamed, and in communion with their Creator. Near the center of Eden, the serpent, the craftiest of all creatures, approached Eve. With a voice as smooth as honey, it questioned God's command. "Did God really say you must not eat from any tree in the garden?" Eve replied, "We may eat from the trees, but not from the tree of knowledge. If we eat or touch it, we will die." The serpent's eyes gleamed. You will not surely die. God knows that when you eat of it, your eyes will be opened, and you will be like him, knowing good and evil. Eve looked at the fruit. It was beautiful, its aroma intoxicating. Desire welled up within her, desire for wisdom, for something forbidden. She reached out, took the fruit, and ate. She gave some to Adam, who ate as well. At once their eyes were opened, and they realized their nakedness. Overwhelmed with shame, they sewed fig leaves together to cover themselves and hid among the trees. God called out, Adam, where are you? Trembling, Adam replied, I heard you in the garden, and I was afraid because I was naked, so I hid. God's heart was heavy as he addressed them. Have you eaten from the tree I commanded you not to eat from? Adam blamed Eve, and Eve blamed the serpent. To the serpent, God said, because you have done this, you are cursed above all livestock. You will crawl on your belly, and I will put enmity between your offspring and hers. He will crush your head, and you will strike his heel. To Eve, he said, I will greatly increase your pain in childbirth, and your desire will be for your husband, but he will rule over you. To Adam, he said, the ground is cursed because of you. Through painful toil, you will eat from it all your life. By the sweat of your brow, you will eat your food until you return to the ground. God clothed Adam and Eve with garments of animal skin, a foreshadowing of the sacrifice that would one day cover all sin. Then he banished them from Eden, placing cherubim with a flaming sword to guard the way to the tree of life. As Adam and Eve left, they carried with them the weight of their choice and the hope of God's promise, a future redeemer who would restore what was lost. Lush greenery, the rivers that sparkled under the sun, and the presence of God that had once been their comfort, all were now out of reach. The cherubim, radiant and imposing, guarded the gate with a flaming sword that turned in every direction. As they turned away, the reality of their new life began to settle in. The land beyond Eden was wild and untamed, a stark contrast to the perfection they had known. The ground was hard, the air carried a chill, and survival would require labor they had never experienced. Adam and Eve began to cultivate the land. The soil resisted their efforts, filled with thorns and weeds. Eve, with her growing belly, felt the weight of God's words. As her first child grew within her, she experienced pain and discomfort unknown in Eden. Yet with each struggle, they held on to the memory of God's promise, that one day a descendant would crush the serpent's head. Eve exclaimed, with the help of the Lord, I have brought forth a man. The joy of new life momentarily eased their sorrow. Soon after, Abel was born, and the family grew. Adam often reflected on their choice in Eden. The fruit had promised wisdom, but delivered a heavy burden. Was this freedom, to know both good and evil and to bear the consequences of choice? He remembered the serenity of walking with God in the cool of the day, a peace now replaced by the toil of survival. Yet even in their separation, Eve's decision rippled through humanity. Sin, once an abstract concept, became a reality. Jealousy, anger, and violence emerged. Cain, consumed by jealousy, killed Abel, staining the ground with his brother's blood. Adam and Eve mourned deeply, their hearts breaking under the weight of their son's actions. This was not how it was meant to be, Adam lamented.